welcome in. And if you ever wanted to be a fireman just for one day, this is the video for you.
Welcome, it's Denson Doyle, and today we're going to be going on the fire truck ride at Sam's Village. Stick around to see if we put out the fire.
This ride has 2 trailers connected to an actual working fire truck filled with water. Now, it's not the fire truck you may see driving the streets of your city, but it is a fire truck that carries its own onboard tank, and it's connected to these hoses you see right in front of us. So there's 2 rows of seating. The first row has access to the hoses to put out the fire. The second row is a nice calming place for parents to relax and hopefully not get too wet if they want the kids to have all the fun. But parents, like you see me up front, are allowed to participate and help put that fire out.
So as you can see right here, this building is on fire, and this is really cool because the water will start to come and flow and you can put it out.
Now that we're on site to the call, it's time to let the water fly. So you work these hoses by bending either left, right, or pulling up, and then you spray and aim at the house that's on fire.
Wait, now it's a busted stop. What? How is this depressed? It also looks like a pumpkin. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Like a pumpkin.
So as we head back from a job well done, you'll see right in front of us is the old-timey cars on the Route 66 Raceway. So if you want to see that on ride or a ton of other POVs, check out our channel. Be sure to hit that like so others can find this video as well. Subscribe, turn on notifications. We appreciate you.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please liking, subscribing, turning on notifications, and sharing any video from our 4 channels: Danson Doodle, Danson DIY Doll, Dan Collectible, and Danson Cooking Doll. Take care. Have a great day.